How's it going, guys? And welcome to another photography adventure. Today I'm on my way to Clinton Lake in the state of Kansas. I got some intel that there's a migratory bird and it's a very rare species in this area. So my mission today is to try to find this bird and take pictures of it. So please stay with me in this adventure and join me because we're about to take some bird photography of a rare species, shall we? Well, I just got to the location and this is gonna be interesting because I'm gonna be walking on this area behind me, and there's a very there's a lot of vegetation, so let's see how we're gonna do this. Anyway, the bird that I'm talking about is a painted bluebird or something like that.
Do you speak any English?
I'm gonna put the description here, what's exactly the name, but it's a very rare species that it's in this area right now. It's a migratory bird and it's gonna be here for a few weeks maybe. So I have only just a few chances to take picture of this bird. So please stay with me and let's try to find this bird, shall we? We found our little guy. This bird is beautiful. It's very colorful. I don't know if you guys can actually hear it. He's singing in the background. Let's see. Right there. So I'm excited about it because I finally got a picture of this little guy. So let's check it out. Okay, let's take more pictures of it. I think that I got the name right. It's a painted bunting. Something like that. Bunting. My pronunciation is not very good.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
But anyway, it's incredible. He's been back and forth. I've been taking a bunch of pictures of him. So let's check it out. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. That helped me tremendously. Also, I want to mention that the other day I was in a different location and I was taking pictures of another rare species in the area. I'm talking about the beautiful planetary warbler. I'm having trouble pronouncing this weird names. Anyway, I'm gonna be leaving those pictures at the end of this video so you can check it out. So this is it for today. That's all. So remember, life is a great adventure. Go out and live it. Till next time.